What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're heading up to a car meet, guys. Paloma again. Now I don't know what's been going on with all the La Paloma meets, but it seems like everybody's hosting one there now, which I mean, I don't blame them, but there's always something going on at Paloma. I'm gonna be taking the camera and bringing you guys along with me, and we're gonna see exactly what is gonna go down. I am so tempted to go full bolt-ons with the Speed 3, guys. I am so tempted to do it, but I am fighting the urge because I want to get moving with the Delsol more. I got a lot more parts and stuff that I have to put onto the Delsol, and a lot of stuff to get prepped for with the Delsol. So I'm holding out, but I'm definitely gonna do the full bolt-on soon. So if not this year, then maybe over the winter. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and see what's gonna be happening at La Paloma. So if you guys are cool with that and down with that, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, guys, and let's enjoy this video. All right, boys, we have made it. We're back at the spot of Paloma, most famous plaza there is. Gosh, damn. Didn't even enter the meet yet and people are already zooming. Check out that lineup though over there. Lineup of Subies. Damn, that is a lot of people, bro. An i8. Okay, 370. That looks really cool. Ooh, is that a GTIR? Mark 5. It's a nice color. God damn. Bikes everywhere, dude. Ooh. Black Type R. Bro, 2 R8s here, like, god damn. This is a beautiful spec though, bro. The Mini is back. There's a Hemi sticker on a Speed 3. That looks crazy, dude. Look at this Mark 5. Carbon galore. R35. Oh, that's nice. Bunch of R35s right here. Oh, Huracan. See, yellow. I don't know about the yellow seats, but this is clean. White on white. The Stinger's kind of cool too, but Advent GTs. That looks really nice. That's pretty nice. Gosh, damn. Oh my god, bro. That is fire. All these BMWs, 46, 36, E30. Holy squaddy, bro. That's a nice FD. Jeez. That thing is clean, bro. Ooh, Teggy. Boosted CRV, the turbo, intercooler. What car is this? A Fiat. Never seen this before. Continuing this video into today's day, we're gonna go ahead and just drive around the Delsol. I just figured, why not just do like some POV driving for you guys, since I don't really do it often, and this car, I haven't really posted too much on this car lately, so I figured, you know what, why not, let's just go ahead and take this thing for a drive and just enjoy the beautiful day outside. So glad I painted these black. Stuff like this, I'm telling you, makes such a good difference on the car in total. But yeah, we're gonna take this thing for a drive. It's actually super dirty right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and drive it. I'm gonna wash it later, and yeah, it should be pretty fun, guys. Oh no, I kind of figured I should just turn this into a nice like chill type of vlog. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Been a while since we did a little cold start. Oh yeah, man, oh yeah. I did say that I wanted to drive this car more, but honestly, guys, I've only drove the Delsol like 3 times this year, and the 3rd time is literally right now. So it's kind of bad. Sometimes I even forget that this car is in here, honestly. But not only that, it's like, I don't know what happens, guys. I just don't like drive it as much as I would want to. I'll take it around, stretch its legs a little bit, and yeah, bring you guys along. kind of windy out, but you guys can see she's finally outside after so long. This car is so dirty. It's been such a while, guys. It's been such a damn while. I really gotta get a GoPro, guys. Honestly, I really need to get a GoPro. For real. Because it just doesn't capture the experience, right? Because I have to keep putting the camera down to just, like, you know, drive. But I wish I could put the windows down, but it's so windy out right now that you wouldn't even be able to hear the car if I was to put them down. So much fun driving this thing. I kind of shifted too early there, but that's okay. That was a good one, guys. I think I've had enough fun with the Delsol now. I think it's time to put this thing back. Even though I don't want to stop driving this thing, but man, I don't know. I guess it is time to go back, guys, because I'm seeing raindrops. I don't know if you see it on the windshield, but I see raindrops, so definitely not keeping this thing out any longer. Picks up. Don't get me wrong, guys, this thing is not fast whatsoever. Like I said, this is just a single D series, so it's nothing crazy. But once it gets up to the higher RPMs, like that's when you actually like feel some sort of power move, you know what I mean? So but once we do like a K swap or B swap turbo, oh my goodness, this thing will pull like a train. I think the only thing that will be like the challenge is like getting it to like hook and grip. Other than that, man, this thing's a dream to drive. Should we do the K or should we do the B series? I really need to know because I don't know which one. I'm leaning more on K now, but I wouldn't mind doing a B series turbo, but I don't know, a K series, very tempting. But you guys should let me know. Well, guys, so much for washing my car. It's raining, so I guess that saves me the time. I guess it was just a sign for me not to wash my car today. And just like that, guys, we are back home. Just gonna throw this thing back inside, but one last look. Hey, and shut her down. Boom. Just like that, guys, the Delsol is back inside, chilling, literally just as it starts to rain and stuff. So I guess it was perfect. I guess we really weren't meant to wash this car today. Got a free one, but no, really, probably tomorrow or something I'll wash it. I hope you guys did enjoy that little POV driving segment, because I know you guys love this thing and you guys want to see so much videos of this thing. You guys are always asking about it at meets and stuff like that, so definitely gonna hurry up and try and speed up the process so I can get this thing out, but also at the same time not rushing it. But it should be out soon enough. And honestly, guys, probably the next video you see of the Delsol is probably going to be with the whole lip kit on and mounted. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's in the works, so stay tuned. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, support the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.